Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished your hair would grow faster? Maybe you're dealing with slow growth, thinning hair, or excessive shedding. It's frustrating, right? You try everything: expensive treatments, salon products, and even miracle pills, but nothing seems to work. Here's the truth: your hair doesn't need magic. It needs the right care. What if I told you that faster, healthier hair growth is totally possible without spending a fortune? You just need the right techniques. Today, I'll share 10 powerful science-backed ways to speed up hair growth naturally at home. And trust me, you won't want to miss. It's a game changer. Number 1. Scalp massage, the simple yet powerful trick no one talks about. Most people focus on hair products, but they forget about their scalp. Your hair grows from the roots, and if your scalp isn't healthy, your hair won't grow properly. Why it works: massaging your scalp increases blood circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. This wakes up dormant follicles and stimulates new growth. How to do it: use your fingertips, not nails, to gently massage your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes daily. For a supercharged effect, add a few drops of rosemary, coconut, or castor oil while massaging. Want even faster results? Try the inversion method: flip your head upside down while massaging. This rushes blood to the scalp and boosts hair growth like crazy. Number 2. Essential oils, nature's secret for thick, luscious hair. If you're not using essential oils for hair growth, you're missing out. These natural oils penetrate the scalp, nourish hair follicles, and stimulate faster growth. 4 natural oils for hair growth and strength. A. Rosemary oil are a natural alternative to minoxidil, a hair growth drug. Rosemary oil is often compared to minoxidil, a well-known hair growth treatment, due to its ability to improve circulation in the scalp. By increasing blood flow to hair follicles, it helps stimulate hair growth and prevent hair thinning. How to use: mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil like coconut or castor oil and massage it into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes before washing your hair. B. Coconut oil strengthens hair and prevents breakage. Coconut oil is packed with fatty acids that penetrate deep into the hair shaft, providing intense hydration and protection against damage. It helps prevent protein loss, keeping your hair strong and resilient. How to use: apply coconut oil from mid-length to ends before shampooing, or leave it overnight as a deep conditioning treatment. See castor oil for thicker, fuller hair. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This oil helps nourish the scalp, strengthen hair strands, and promote faster growth. How to use: warm a small amount of castor oil and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before rinsing out with shampoo. D. Grapefruit oil reduces hair loss and boosts growth. Grapefruit essential oil is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help detoxify the scalp and stimulate hair follicles. It's especially great for oily scalps, as it balances excess sebum production. How to use: mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil. Massage into your scalp for 5 minutes and leave it on for 30 minutes to overnight before washing. Use 2 to 3 times a week and watch your hair transform. Number 3. The hair growth diet. It's not just about what you put on your hair, it's about what you feed your body. If your diet lacks the right nutrients, your hair will grow weak, thin, and painfully slow. But don't worry, the secret to healthier, stronger strands is on your plate. Must-have nutrients for faster, stronger hair growth. A. Protein, the building block of hair. Hair is made up of 95% keratin, a protein. Without enough protein, your strands become brittle and break easily. Fuel your hair with eggs, fish, chicken, and beans to keep it strong and resilient. B. Biotin, vitamin B7, the thickness booster. Want fuller, thicker hair? Biotin is your best friend. This vitamin enhances keratin production, helping hair grow stronger and healthier. Snack on almonds, bananas, and eggs to give your locks a natural boost. See omega-3 fatty acids, hydration from within. A dry, flaky scalp can lead to hair loss. Omega-3s keep your scalp nourished and hydrated, creating the perfect environment for hair growth. Load up on salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds for silky, vibrant strands. D-iron and zinc, the hair loss fighters. Low iron and zinc levels can cause excessive shedding and thinning. Keep your hair anchored by eating spinach, red meat, and lentils to strengthen your follicles and prevent breakage. Fix your diet, and you'll see the difference in weeks. What are you waiting for? Eat your way to your best hair ever. You are what you eat, and so is your hair. Number 4. DIY hair masks, your hair's best friend. Forget expensive salon treatments. Homemade hair masks work wonders. These natural treatments deeply nourish, strengthen, and repair hair for faster, healthier growth. Best DIY hair masks. A. Egg plus olive oil mask. Strengthens hair with protein and hydration. B. Aloe vera mask. Soothes the scalp and reactivates follicles. C. Onion juice plus honey mask. Sounds crazy, right? But onion juice is proven to boost collagen production, leading to faster hair growth. How to use. Apply 1 to 2 times per week. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then wash with sulfate-free shampoo. Be patient, your hair will thank you. Number 5. The right way to wash your hair. Are you making these mistakes? You wash your hair all the time, but are you doing it correctly? A few bad habits could be slowing down your hair growth. Common hair washing mistakes. A. Washing too often strips natural oils, leaving hair dry. B. Using hot water opens hair cuticles too much, causing moisture loss. C. Using harsh shampoos, sulfates, and parabens damage hair over time. How to fix it? Wash only 2 to 3 times per week. Use sulfate-free, natural shampoos with ingredients like bouquet, soapberry, green tea, or aloe vera. Rinse with cool or lukewarm water to seal moisture in. Number 6. Avoid these hair-damaging habits. Even if you follow all the right steps, bad habits can ruin your progress. Worst habits that prevent hair growth: too much heat styling, blow-drying, curling, straightening. Tying hair too tight, causing stress on roots. Frequent chemical treatments, bleaching, dyeing. How to protect your hair. Air dry your hair whenever possible. Use silk scrunchies instead of tight elastic bands. Limit chemical treatments and switch to gentle, nourishing products. Number 7. Sleep on a silk pillowcase for stronger hair. Did you know that your pillowcase might be damaging your hair? Cotton pillowcases cause friction, leading to hair breakage and frizz. Why silk works wonders. Reduces hair breakage and split. Prevents tangles and frizz overnight. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase and wake up with healthier, smoother hair. Number 8. Regular trimming. The secret to long, strong hair. Trimming your hair doesn't make it grow faster, but it prevents split ends, which means less breakage and more length retention. How often to trim? Every 6 to 8 weeks to keep hair strong. Don't wait until split ends appear. Prevent them. Number 9. Reduce stress and stay hydrated for maximum hair growth. You can use the best hair products in the world, but if you're dehydrated and stressed out, your hair won't thrive. To unlock stronger, longer, and healthier hair, you need to hydrate and relax. Yes, it's that simple. A. Drink up for luscious locks. Did you know that each hair strand is made up of 25% water? When you're dehydrated, your hair becomes dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Keep your locks hydrated from the inside out by drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. B. Stress less, grow more. Chronic stress wreaks havoc on your hair, triggering hair thinning and excessive shedding. High stress levels increase cortisol, a hormone that disrupts the hair growth cycle. Reduce stress and support healthy hair growth by practicing. Yoga increases circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth. Deep breathing lowers stress hormones, reducing hair fall. Meditation helps relax your mind and prevents stress-related hair loss. Number 10. The rice water rinse, a hair growth miracle. Did you know that Japanese women have been using rice water for centuries to grow their hair long and strong? How to make it? Soak 1 cup of rice in 2 cups of water for 12 to 24 hours. Strain and spray onto hair. Leave for 20 minutes, then rinse. Use 1 to 2 times per week, and watch your hair grow like never before. Your hair growth journey starts today. Now that you know these 10 powerful techniques, it's time to take action. Which tip are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips. See you again in the next video.